Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to another day in studio with Kylie. I got a question recently asking how to do such and such a move. I'm gonna call this move a shoulder kickover. I did some research. I don't know what the actual name for this move is or who created this move. I haven't been able to find that detailed of information. If you know, by all means, please put it in the comments below. So I'm going to talk through a couple of my tips and warm-up drills. I hope you're getting lots of time in studio. Please let me know what other floor moves you would like help with. I'm really enjoying making these videos and editing them and sharing them with you on this channel. So the first thing you want to think about in doing this movement is getting comfortable bearing weight on the upper back and shoulders. The shoulder stand is a good tool for this, just getting comfortable with your feet up in the air and getting upside down. That's number one. The next thing you want to really practice is your glute bridge jumps. You want to really work on building the power of your legs, okay? You know, it's easy to get this move confused with a roll, okay? We are not rolling through the back with this move. We are starting flat on the back, but then we are jumping using the feet, pushing the floor. We are jumping the hips into the air rather than rolling them up into the air. We're jumping the hips into the air and then using the kick of the leg, the power of that scissor kick to get us over the shoulder. You definitely want to, again, practice this jump and practice it in conjunction with that driving kick. You want to feel the power of that leg kicking up to the ceiling. Next movement to practice is moving smoothly from your upper back over to the side of the shoulder. Snapping the arms around the head, tracing the floor around the head, and finding yourself in that contracted position with your weight on the side of the arm on the shoulder. So there's a lot of torso movement there. There's a lot of side to side oblique movement. So making sure that we're loose through that upper spine and we have that bend, that bending capability, moving the spine side to side. Please go ahead and check out my floor work warm-up tutorial exercise video that gives a lot of really basic building blocks, floor work building blocks, movements that you need to build a good floor work base. So the next warm-up exercise that I'm going to suggest is a side shoulder stand. So you're bearing weight on the side of the shoulder and on the side of the face and head, and very much using both hands on the floor to push away. Once you're comfortable here, try taking the feet off the floor. The next thing you want to do to warm up is you want to work on coordinating the movement of your legs, arms, and head. Notice here I'm using my left leg to kick, so I'm also going to therefore start with my left arm overhead and then swing my right arm overhead. So I'm going to kick with my right. I'm going to go over my right shoulder. I'm going to show you how I start with my arms. Right arm high, left arm low. The coordination is this. Right arm coming down, left arm coming around the head, and right leg kicking. Your right leg is aiming, your foot is aiming to land on the floor behind your right shoulder. Okay? Jumping with your left foot. And remember that quick snap that we talked about of the upper body. So I go around my head with that left arm to catch myself. As you can see, I'm leaning on my right shoulder. My head is on the floor, and I get there quickly. My body's round. Okay, as you can see, the arm stays out that again. Slightly different angle. Right leg out, ready to snap. Okay, so I drive my foot high at first, but then I just reach for the floor behind my shoulder. I'm gonna do it on the left. Left arm high, right arm low. Left leg ready to kick, right leg ready to jump. Upper body ready to snap over to the side. So find that coordination. Okay, we're ready to jump. Over we go. So the last thing I'll say about this movement is that this took me a while to learn. Just putting yourself through those motions and getting used to being upside down like that, and really working for that coordination of the arms going around the head on the floor, snapping over to the shoulder, and kicking those legs with a lot of power is key. Practice is key. I'd love to see your videos of how you're doing with it. I'd love to know in the comments what parts are giving you trouble. I'll see if I can help you all out. That's it for me today. Good luck with your shoulder kickover, and I'll see you next time.